What has COVID-19 done with the world economy and SMEs? Manufacturing stopped, industries shut down, and countries are tumbling on the economic scale. Even research says, once the situation gets under control, people still need to learn to live with the coronavirus. Is your business ready to adapt? Keeping distance is the new normal in society. How is the new normal affecting the conventional method of sales and marketing? Companies that rely on contacts and referral approaches have been hit the hardest. Businesses are already finding ways to work through it by minimizing in-person meetings. Seminars changed into webinars and other gatherings into conference calls. If this is the new normal, how will a company that follows conventional means generate new business? Digital growth is the solution. Do you know there are over 4 billion daily active internet users worldwide? And the engagement has increased twofolds over the internet after COVID. No business can deny the fact that creating a website that sells and marketing it to the target audience is the need of the hour. How can digital marketing help grow your business and still stay safe? 1. Your business website can help build your brand, showcase products and services, allow users to contact you, or directly buy from it. 2. A well-optimized site can drive new users searching for relevant content from search engines. 3. Social networks are a great channel to build a brand and drive traffic. 4. Reach new suspects through email, affiliate, instant messaging, SMS marketing, and more. Who we are and how Grovention can help you during this difficult time? Grovention is a new age digital company that works to deliver growth to your business. We work with the owner's mentality to help companies digitize and drive the target audience that converts. How we drive leads and sales for your business. 1. We analyze your audience. 2. We plan your digital growth. 3. We build your digital presence. 4. We promote your business. Are you looking to grow your business online? Connect with us to know more.